Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Now, I can't even remember what episode we're on. I will, hang on, let me see. But in the meantime, what I'm getting at is this entire new setup we have here. I kind of want to introduce it a little bit, but not a full introduction. So we should be episode 37 now. Now, I have fully set up. I've got my PC and I've got the PC upgraded, which I went through videos on and created that. We've added a couple extra things that the videos are out as well, so go check those out. And we got our dual monitor set up now. Now you can't see it where I'm at right now, but as I start to post more on this new setup, as you can also tell, we're in a completely different room. So we have full 360 redone this entire setup here. So for episode 37, I know it has been a few days since I have posted on this series. We're going to be hopping into the track. And I think last we hit Daytona. Now, last time we were racing, this is before the new Gran Turismo update. Now, the new Gran Turismo update, if I'm not mistaken, added a few new tracks that we have free access to, which is nice. We're going to go ahead and dive right in, double check the Americas, make sure we finish everything off there, and move on to the next one. As we hop into our cockpit here, once again, we've got everything set up. Now, the GoPro towards my feet, I'm having to charge. I forgot to charge it. That is my fault. But I want to go ahead and get everything set up and going. So we only got 9% on that one. However, we still got our face cam and the steering wheel. Now, once again, everything is completely different. We haven't done this setup before. And once again, we're going to be checking to see what we've done. So once again, episode 37, here we are. Let's see where we're heading to. Let's go back to the Americas. We've done Blue Moon, we've done WeatherTech, we've done the Grand Valley, we've done Special Stage, Autodromo in Brazil, Fisherman's, Willow Springs, Trial Mountain, Colorado Springs, Lake Louise. I think the new one, because we've done Watkins, Michelin, Northern, and Daytona. Circuit, Gilles Villeneuve, I don't even know. Anyway, we're going to be hopping into this one and going for it. I think I raced it one time when it came out. I tried it, and that was kind of it. This little cord is touching my leg. Anyway, we're going to hop right in with our 2022 Honda Civic Type R. Now, with this screen, I know I don't know if you can see it yet or not. I have not recorded on this one before, so hopefully it's not much different than before, but I had to get a new monitor. As I mentioned, it broke, and a little bit of a problem. Okay, I need to pay attention to the track. A little bit of a problem, you know, it cracked, and I don't know if it's operable or not. I didn't try too much, but I did have to get another one to get everything back up and running. Now, what it's done here is it has stretched our view, so everything looks weird. Like when I change the angle, to me at least, it looks weird. I, once again, have no idea how this is going to show up on video. If it shows up awful, I will have to figure out how to fix it. I will have no other choice, because I don't want it to be poor quality. Also, I've noticed that once I've moved to this area, something's up with my paddle shifters. It's not always clicking, downshifting when I need it to, as I've done before. Once again, nonetheless, I'll figure it out. But anyway, if you haven't checked out the videos of how we've got the new setup, definitely go check them out. I highly recommend it. I've done a lot from this PC computer keyboard tray over here to getting this dual monitor set up so I can watch other races and stuff, or whatever I want while I'm practicing or listening to it, if I put another earbud in my ear or something. I've got the grip pedal, or the grip on the pedal, and then I've got all this extra lighting down below, which I don't think you can see much of. There's penalty. I definitely did try to stop and slow down, but this grip is a lot better. I really like it. I'm still getting used to it. But before, I would have a lot of Slippage. Yeah, we're still at 9%, so that's fine. I think we'll get done with this video and then we'll be able to actually charge it. I didn't even think about it. I mean, I'm still getting used to the new setup. It's still very different. I mean, we spent a lot of hours on the way we had it before. But I think we'll get better circulation. Obviously, I've got this fan. I did add a new fan as well towards my feet if and when I need it, but I hope I don't. There should be better circulation in this room, so and so forth. Come on. Getting around the track here. But yeah, like I'm really pushing on it. The only time my foot comes off the pedal is when I actually pull it off. It's only when it slips. Still doing too much. Not braking soon enough. Braking way too late there. 3.5 second gap as we're closing it very slowly. And that's from P1 anyway. I guess it's that second or maybe third time I've actually raced this track. There was an accident. They hit the Ferrari. I don't think we're gonna win this one. This is awful. Anyway, it's still practice, you know, still getting better. Especially since they added the new track. But I will be bringing iRacing content at some point. I'm not sure how soon. Of course, I did a bunch of upgrades to the PC, by a bunch of them too, but very drastic upgrades that should help out a lot. And I really want to go for that next. But that was it. Hopefully this is out awesome. Other than that, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode 37 of Racing Every Single Track in this car, except Gran Turismo 7. You can still hear it on the top. There we go. Quite loud. Anyway, once again, thank y'all again for watching. We're going to continue the series and keep working at it every single day. I mean, even though I was moving this whole setup, I was still posting this. Every single day, making new videos every single day. You have short videos on here as well, besides that. However, on the YouTube and stuff, industries, I'm still working on trying to get posting every single day on that platform because I'll have to have time. Anyway, other than that, y'all have a good day. See y'all.